guys, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry and today I want to share with you how I do a facelift in the privacy of my own home. So, okay, it's not technically a facelift, but what it is the NuFACE Trinity. This is the facial toning kit. And this particular one that I have, it comes with the facial trainer device and the ELE. It stands for Effective Lip and Eye. And this video is not sponsored. NuFACE does not know who I am. I just love this product. So I want to share with you guys when I'm really passionate about something, especially something that really works that I have tested. So you might be wondering, what is a NuFACE device and why is she saying it's an at-home facelift? Well, what a NuFACE device is this is just a microcurrent device, and they use these in a lot of spas. It's just basically exercising your face, and it's going to tone it and firm it, and over time it's going to make your skin look like you've had a mini facelift. Of course, nothing would compare to the real deal surgical facelift, but I've been using this for about 2 or 3 months, and the first couple weeks I was like, this thing's stupid. I'm not even noticing anything. So, I wasn't really sure if I was going to keep using it, but I thought I'll give it the full 60 days, and I have noticed a lot of improvements in the tightness of my skin, and especially along my jawline. That is where I've had the most significant results. So on the package it says that this microcurrent device is fitness for your face. You work out, you exercise to tone your muscles of your body, but how do you work out your face? Well, what it says here, it says exercise, well, like I just said, exercise sculpts and tones the body. And microcurrent, which is what the NuFACE device is, it contours and it tones the face. Just like exercise, benefits are visible and the results are long-lasting with continued use. NuFACE is fitness for your face and the easiest workout you'll ever do. And I agree, I hate to work out. Anybody that knows me knows that I'm really lazy, like lazy when it comes to working out. But I'm all about skincare and makeup and doing exercise on my face. This is the NuFACE Trinity, and this is the attachment, the facial trainer attachment, and it just comes off here with this little button. You just push it and it pops right off, and you can apply the Effective Lip and Eye, the ELE, and just pop that back on just like that. So that's what this kit came with. They do have the mini of this, and it only comes with this, but it doesn't come off. So this one's nice because you can have this attachment, or there's another attachment that has the red light on it. So this one is a great value because it's basically 3 products in one versus just the mini that is only this device. So the instructions say for the first 60 days to use this 5 times a week. And then after that, you can do it like 2 to 3 times a week. And I think that you can do it for just a few minutes, but I actually do it for the full, I think it's a 20-minute cycle when you turn this on. You just turn it on, and then you can adjust how high you want it. And I put it all the way up to the top. It does not hurt. You don't even feel it. The only time I feel it is when I get maybe around my hairline and it zaps a little hair, and it's nothing that would make you jump. You can just kind of feel a little bit of tingling. But the other thing that you might notice, once you get around your mouth, I notice like a little metallic-y taste. And I don't know if that's for everybody, but I don't know if it's because I have a couple fillings or what it is, but it doesn't bother me. So other than that, there's nothing that I noticed with this that would bother me. But I really love this. If I had done this review a couple weeks after getting it, I would have said, this is stupid, don't buy it. But now that it's been over 2 months, I'm really noticing amazing results, and I think that this thing is so worth the money. Now, don't go out and buy it full price because it does go on sale very often at the NuFACE website, and I got mine on Skin Store. I'll leave the link down below where I got mine, and I think I got 30% off of this. Another thing, don't go Googling trying to find this and then go to Joe Schmo's website and buy it, because as with anything, there are a lot of fakes out there. You want to get the real type of NuFACE microcurrent device. So make sure, if you're not sure and you find a website where it's a great deal, click on NuFACE's website and find out who the authorized retailers are of this device. So it also came with the charging device. It's not battery operated. You plug it in and then you just sit it on the charger, and you're supposed to charge it for I think a full day before you use it, and then I just pop it back on the charger every day after I use it. The other item it came with was their gel primer, and this is one specific by NuFACE. This is their hydrating, this is a leave-on formula. And this is a really nice primer, but to be quite honest, I think it's a little pricey if I'm going to repurchase it. So I will leave a link down below other primers that I use instead. I use a colloidal silver gel, which I love. And then the other thing that I've been using is one of my essences by COSRX. It's their snail essence, and I don't really like it as my essence, so I use that because and aloe vera, I did not like aloe vera. I bought some and I don't know what it was. Maybe it was the type of aloe, but it made my face really irritated and red. So you can use any type of primer, a gel primer, but it can't have oil in it. So don't go put jojoba oil and then think that you're going to use the device, because this microcurrent device does not work with oil. It needs to have this water-based type formula. One thing I'll say about the gel that it comes with, it's beautiful. I don't leave it on, I always wash it off. But if you rub it all over your face and then start doing your microcurrent device, by the time you make it over here, this is all dried up and soaked into your skin. I wanted something more slimy that stayed slimy on my skin. Well, I didn't like using the snail slime all over my face as an essence, so I tried it with my microcurrent device, and oh my gosh, it's so inexpensive compared to this, and it lasts forever, and I literally can slap it all over my skin, and it snail slime. I mean, that's basically what it is. And it stays slimy the whole time, and I absolutely love it with my NuFACE microcurrent device. So in this next clip, I'm only going to show you how I use the NuFACE device with this facial trainer. If you want to see another video of how I use the ELE attachment, the effective lip and eye attachment, I will show you that. Let's take a look at how I use my NuFACE microcurrent device on freshly cleansed skin with no oily products, lotions, serums at all, except for a gel primer. I also like to add a little bit because my jaw was something that I was really wanting to focus on. So what I like to do around my jawline after I've done this really slowly, and then all of this and both sides, what I like to do is just hold it until it beeps. And then once it beeps, I move it to the next spot here. Then it beeps and I move it up here, and I do that a few times also. Don't use this on your neck. So don't try to do this. I've seen some people do that, but everything I've read says that it could be harmful, especially if you have thyroid issues, or it could affect your thyroid. So, you know, follow the instructions. I kind of change it up a little bit, what works for me, and doing the concentrated, you know, holding it right underneath my jawline, that's really worked for me. And I can actually feel this because I'm holding this over my makeup. I can feel little like tapping, the little zapping. Nothing to where obviously you see that I can hold it on my face, but it's not real comfortable. That's why you need to use the microcurrent gel. So do not just use this over your makeup. And then when you turn it off, you just push the same button, it beeps, and then you put it right back in the holder and then it'll charge up. You truly can chisel out your cheekbones, define your jaw, and really have a nice, firm, and toned face without going under the knife. Let me know if any of you guys have this and how you're liking it, and if there's any little tips and tricks that you want others to know, leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel but you're not already subscribed, if you look right down below here and see that subscribe button, just tap that. But if you also want to get notified each time I do post a new video, make sure you tap that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.